Alrighty, everyone, let's continue with our fruits and vegetables alphabet series. The next is going to be a D, and we are going to draw a dragon fruit. So start out by making this open-shaped U, and then we're just going to draw petal-like shapes on top of each other. And then we'll come in afterwards when we're done, and we will add the ones in the middle. Perfect. And now we're going to come in, we'll do the one on the top, and we will add the petals in the middle, petal-like shapes. Now once you're done drawing the petals, you're going to go in and put some details on them. So you're just going to make upside down shape V marks, like the letter V. Perfect. And then once you're done, on the right side, we are going to draw what the inside of a dragon fruit looks like. So you're going to make a circle, and then outside of that circle, you will make an even larger circle surrounding it. Perfect. And then when you're done, you're just going to add, like a V shape, little petals of different sizes on the outside. Dragon fruits on the inside, if you've never had them, they have a white flesh and lots of little black seeds like a kiwi that are edible. Perfect. And now we're just going to add some circles in the flesh part. This is in the skin, because those petals are really thick and on the inside you can see them. And now lastly, as I mentioned, there's lots of little black seeds inside of a dragon fruit. So just add little specks to the inside. Great. And once you're done, we're going to label it with the big D and little d. And at the top right, we're going to write dragon fruit. DRAGONFRUIT. And there you have it, D dragon fruit D.